Let's take a quick look at Gehry's spectacular finished product for this 150-year-old winery in the Rioja region of Spain, completed in 2003. I want to specifically point out a few things. I've already given you the punchline of the superimposition of the two pictures, but this is even more fun. First, the free verse curvilinear lines of colorful titanium sheathing are pit against our traditionally built geometric and natural world. This is what Gehry's curvilinear structures are all about. By virtue, this particular Gehry design has an otherworldly atmosphere that is befitting the ideas presented herewith for skywalking. Secondly, its color scheme is eerily coincident when compared to the composite Hubble Heritage press release of July 3, 2003. Supernova remnant LMC N49, standing for Large Magellanic Cloud, Nova 49, is magenta throughout its central region. Then the cool outermost edges of the curvilinear lines of titanium sheathing is coincident with the iridescent blue-green ribbons of ions at the supernova's edges. Just looking at this stunning work of Gehry's can easily put any sensitive human being into a daze, or even cause someone to pause and consider perhaps a class in Skywalking 101, or at least tell a friend about it. And lastly, there's this little bit more. To show you, I'll have to stack the pictures, starting at the bottom with the completed project. Then the model on top of it, then N49 Hubble Heritage image at the very top to help make my point. I want to direct your attention to the protracting or arching single line at the right-hand side of each picture for comparison. Now look at the top picture first, then the middle one, then the bottom picture. That very same cantilevered line is in each of these images, and it ends up at the bottom picture, even extending into the roof line of a building in the background on that winery's property. It looks as if the new hotel was destined to be tethered to the very plot plan that Gehry designed. This painting is titled Gymnosophist, coming and going from shore to shore. It's as if Gehry himself is a gymnosophist, an athletic thinker and doer, or at the very least, an Olympian skywalker who nailed his dismount back onto Earth perfectly as we applaud his architectural performance. Here's another alto cumulus lenticular cloud. Pretty picture, and it fit here. So let's consider this breathtaking cloud and as an open invitation to Skywalking 101. It says, look up. It says, look in because of the hole in the bottom of the center of the thing. Look up, look in. Then look within. This painting by J.M.W. Turner, titled Sunrise with a Boat Between Headlands, painted 1840. We are that boat, that ark, that vessel, that soul, that carrier between headlands, and we are free. So this course of study as a conceptual artwork ends with think in the morning, act in the noon, eat in the evening, skywalk at night. Ta-da.